Hey everybody. So I just had a request a couple days ago. Someone working on, I need my cable, working on the two-finger clawhammer blues that wanted a close-up of the picking hand. And so that's what we're going to attempt to do right now. I'll play that song for you just in case people haven't seen that and they're just coming fresh into this video without seeing that one. It's one of my most popular videos. And I've actually updated this a little bit. It's not quite the same as I first did it. Changed a few things, but it's pretty much the same. That's all we'll do. Just a quick recap of what this was. Side note, in fall time there, I got together, not fall, spring. We're just coming into fall. A subscriber contacted me. He lives out where I live, and we got together to play. I'm going to screw up his name because I only half remember it. I gotta actually send this guy a text. It's been a while. But we got together when we were playing, and he took what I did with this two-finger clawhammer type stuff, and he just took it to a whole nother level. Matt TV is still the best. Yeah, it was really good. He's on the Merlin site. Some of you guys probably seen his video. He did that. Why am I taking the cape off? I need it for this lesson. He did that video for his sister's wedding. I'm sure some of you might know that because that was a great song he did there as well. Alright, so now we're going to do a close-up here. We want the picking hand, don't we? So bear with me here. How's that? That pretty much shows it all right there. Let's go a little back so we see this hand as well. Get there in the lights a little bit because the lights are all off now. I don't know if I like this light on. Yeah, I guess that stays on. Kind of blinds me, but I guess we kind of need it. Okay, so the picking hand on this. It all starts with that. So a thumb and a down with the nails. That's where it starts. Now on that thumb beat, we're going to hit the high string at the same time. We're going to do a pinching motion. See that pinching motion that you're doing? The upstroke with your pointer finger is where all the melody is. You're doing all the melody with that finger. So if the melody note is on a second, you do the pinch there. Frick, you really see my smoke fingers. Frick, I gotta quit smoking that. It's horrible. So if the melody is on the second string, that's where you're doing the pointer finger. that's throughout the whole song. That really doesn't change at all for this one. When I'm playing, really the downstroke I'm doing is just that one finger. Hey, you can do them all. That's it. Now there's that, no there wasn't, I never did do that. Like that clawhammer technique. That's not even a real clawhammer technique. That's why I called it two-finger clawhammer blues. It can be worked on all those old traditional stuff as well. That's that buzzing I got. So that's it. It's like you do the pinch and the stroke and the strum. Pinch and stroke sounds bad. Can I say I'm a teenager in mine? Which is funny enough, what's going to go on to the next video here. If anyone knows that one, that's another one of my very popular videos. Two of my most popular are my own songs, which is really cool. You know, the two finger Clawhammer blues. I lost it there for a second, and Celtic jiggy thingy, which we're going to be updating on the next video, which we'll record here quickly. So that's it. That's the close-up fingering on the fingering hand. I hope this helps. I think it was Richard that asked for this, but I know there's other people that asked in the past, and I just never got to it. I should have. Yeah. Clawhammer blues, clawhammer style close-up. Basically what it is, because you can use this for so many things. Actually use this one too on the Dublineers, Pogues, Dirty Old Town. It kind of didn't work. That's it. Practice, patience, have fun. We'll see you guys back in the next video soon.